Ikhansela laseTshwane uPeter Sathini useqokwe njengobhekeleza imali kulomkhandlu ize lomkhandlu unenkinga yemali.
Ikomidi eliphezulu lemeya eTshwane linamalunga ayishumi likhombise ubuso obusha. Yize amalunga kudala ekhombise ukunganeliseki emva kokuthi ehlulekile ukwenza umsebenzi. Lo masipala ubhekene nezinkinga zezimali kuyimanje.
It's my responsibility as the MMC. It starts with me. Council is involved, oversight committees are involved, all councillors are involved. But we should not take our eye off those individuals who fraudulently prepared the financial statements.
Imeya yaseTshwane ithi phezu kwakho konke ukwehluleka ukuvikela imali yomkhandlu uSuthwane uyindoda ufanele lo msebenzi.
I've appointed Peter Sutton for the simple reason that he is most qualified for this position. He is the best person for the job. He's got insight into what happened. He can help us uncover and dig even deeper. And I think our partnership, together with a partnership with the city manager, is going to be crucial in cleaning up whatever we find in the city of Tshwane.
Okusobala ukuthi lo mkhandlu uzobambisana namanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ukuze kuhlinzekwe umphakathi ngezidingo.
I would have rather that we go at it alone going to 2024 and not be in any coalition until the DA proves and respects the smaller parties because they have not won the vote.
Bakholelwa ukuthi ithimba elisha lizokwenza umehluko omkhulu ikakhulukazi ukulethwa kwezinsiza zomphakathi.